Finally, after a few days of testing the Skin So Good complexion sticks in real life, nandito na ako to give you guys my review. After you watch this review, I want you guys to rate the Skin So Good complexion sticks from 1 to 5. 1 being the lowest score and 5 being the highest, because I want to know your thoughts and opinions as well. I can't really say that it's strictly a foundation stick, and the reason why is I feel like Sunnies Face markets it more of like an overall complexion product. So think of this product more of like the matchsticks ng Fenty Beauty. They released 16 shades for their first ever complexion collection, and that is really impressive. But in those 16 shades, na-categorize siya in 4 shade categories. So, merong light, medium, and deep. From the medium tone to the deep tone, maranas na cater talaga. And that is really impressive for a first release ng mga complexion product. This video is gonna contain the application process, how I use the Skin So Good sticks on myself. I'll also be swatching all of the 16 shades on my jaw area so that you can see how the different shades look and compare with each other. And of course, I will be giving you my final thoughts and recommendations. So I've already worn yung Skin So Good products for a couple of times already. Medyo familiar na ako sa feel ng product na to and how to somewhat properly apply it on the face. So out of the 16 shades, yung shades na nag-work out for me, the top 3 shades are Buttermilk, Oat, and Palisander. So yung Buttermilk, yung ginagamit ko to brighten up my face. Yung Oat is my exact skin color. And then yung Palisander naman is what I use to sculpt my face. The primer that I have been using is yung Aqua Grip ng Vice Cosmetics. Sobrang gusto ko talaga yung primer na to, and iha-hype ko talaga siya ng bongga dito sa channel ko because it's really good. And just as the product title, Aqua Grip, it really does grip the foundation onto your skin. Another base and prepping product na gusto ko din i-try is yung from Issy & Co, and that is their True Flex Illuminator. This is in the shade Halo. Medyo na-curious ako sa product na to because it can make the foundation glowing even more. It can be used alone daw as a primer, or pwede mo siya i-mix sa mga liquid foundation mo. But since yung Skin So Good is a face stick siya, then I'm gonna use the Illuminator first, and then that's when I use the Skin So Good. Don't expect like a blinding highlight with the Issy & Co Illuminator, but expect that it will give like a boost of glow. A very subtle but like dewy kind of glow sa base mo. So far, so good. I really like this product. So I can't wait to review this product for you guys. Right after ng Skin So Good ng Sunnies Face, eto yung next ko ipapublish dito sa channel ko. So, if hindi pa kayo nakasubscribe at hindi pa na-turn on yung bell button you guys, make sure click that bell button down below para ma-notify kayo kapag na-upload ko na yung video ko on the Issy & Co new products. So, yung Oat, guys, is under siya sa light-medium na category, and it has neutral undertones to it. So, this is what the product looks like. Medyo na-disappoint ako. Akala ko talaga malaki. Akala ko yung size nito parang yung sa Glow Balls na ganun ka-jumbo, but it's just much smaller. It looks like parang pinky lang yung size ng actual product. Before ko pala i-apply yung shade na Oat, gusto ko lang i-color correct yung under eyes ko with the Issy & Co then na concealer. I think bago nila tong shade. This is in the shade PT4. So yung concealer na to is a little bit peachy, so it's a really good shade for me to use as a color corrector. So I'm just gonna put a few dots on my under eye area. Just gonna blend it out with my Squad Cosmetics na brush. It really does cancel out the darkness of my under eyes. Effective naman siya, guys, in fairness. So ready na talaga yung face ko lagyan ng Skin So Good. So first is, again, I'm gonna be using the shade Oat. And I'm gonna be focusing it sa mga areas na meron akong acne marks or just discoloration. And then I'm just gonna go back sa areas na medyo nagpipeek through pa rin yung acne marks ko. And dito yan, especially sa sunspot areas, also here. So now I'm gonna be contouring my face now with the shade Palisander. And I like to contour my face first before I brighten it up because gusto ko, nakita ko na yung shape ng face ko before I add light to it. So this is in the shade Palisander and it's in the deep category. It has cool undertones to it. And dahil it has cool undertones to it, it can somehow mimic shadows to really be able to contour the face. Just gonna blend it out. And the brush that I'm using pala is it's a blush brush actually from Vice Cosmetics. And I find that it's really handy to use as a contour brush as well. Maliit lang siya kasi. Makapag ano talaga siya. Precisely shape up the face. Okay, now time to brighten up my face. In fairness ha, nakikita pa rin yung illuminator ng Issy ko underneath the Sunnies face na product. Now I'm gonna be brightening up my face using yung shade ng Buttermilk and it's under the light category. It has warm undertones to it naman. And by the way, yung shade na Buttermilk pala, ito yung shade na naputol as soon as I opened it. Like parang nalaglag lang siya from the packaging and nagulat ako kasi bago pa lang talaga yung product na to. Siguro it goes to show na hindi pa siguro nila nakuha yung right formulation for a creamy yet sturdy kind of stick. Sa fluff mats, nakuha na nila eh. Na perfect na nila yon. But for the Skin So Good, maybe I think it just needs a little bit more of improvement. So I'm just gonna apply few small dots on the under eye area. I like to be discreet with the amount of product that I use on my under eye area. Mas gusto ko na konti yung products na nilalagay ko dyan as much as possible so that doesn't crease throughout the day. So what I noticed guys when I look at my monitor is that nakikita pa rin yung illuminator underneath through the Skin So Good na product na kahit stick formulation siya, meaning really lets your skin shine through it. For the swatches, since masyadong madami yung 16 shades to swatch in one go, on my jaw, I decided na i-categorize sila into 4 sections. So meron akong light, light medium, medium, and deep. And sa 4 categories na yon, 4 shades are under that category. So first is the light category. So the light category contains porcelain, buttermilk, ecru, and seashell. So the shade porcelain is light with cool undertones. Buttermilk naman is light with warm undertones. Ecru is light with olive undertones, and seashell is light with peach undertones. Next shade category we have is light medium, and under that category we have the shades cashew, and cashew is light medium with warm undertones. Oat naman is light medium with neutral undertones, and that is my perfect shade. And next is bamboo. It is light medium with golden undertones. And lastly, olive naman is light medium with obviously olive undertones. Yung ka-shade ko talaga is yung shade na oat. If magkasing kulay tayo at hindi na available yung shade na oat, you can opt for the shade cashew kasi parang malapit lang yung color niya on me. Third shade category is medium. So under medium, we have the shades Gobi. It is medium with neutral undertones. Birch naman is medium with cool undertones. Saddle naman is medium with golden undertones. And lastly, Palomino is medium with warm undertones. The final category is deep, and under that category, we have the shades Santal. It is deep with warm undertones. Then Fawn is deep with red undertones. Palisander is deep with cool undertones. And finally, Carobe is deep with neutral undertones. I also categorize the shades based on its undertone and sinwatch ko din siya para makita nyo kung ano yung difference niya or similarities. So for the cool undertone category, we have 3 shades under it. Meron tayong porcelain, birch, and palisander. Under the warm undertone category, we have 5 shades under it. So we have buttermilk, cashew, Palomino, Santal, and yung fawn actually is red undertone siya, pero sinabay ko na lang siya sa warm undertone category. Next, we have the olive undertone category, and dalawa lang yung shades na under that category. So meron tayong ecru and olive. For the golden category, dalawa lang yung actually golden, pero sinama ko na yung isang peach. na seashell. So, under the golden category, we have seashell, which is actually peach undertone. Pero again, sinabay ko na lang. Then, bamboo and saddle. Last category we have is the neutral undertone. So, under doon, we have 3 shades. So, meron tayong oat, gobi, and carob. Depende sa isang shading system ng isang brand. Sometimes I would land on the warm side, golden side, or neutral. But to be safe, when I purchase complexion products online, nagno-neutral undertone na lang ako. By the way, if you want more shade references when it comes to foundations, nilagay ko yung mga foundations that I use in the description box below. For more product information, the way I understand yung pag-angle nila sa Skin So Good, it is more of like a skin-enhancing product. It also has skin-loving ingredients to it. Merong squalane, vitamin E, hydroberry, some ingredient that I can't pronounce. By having a really small, slender complexion stick, it kind of forces you to control your usage. By the way, yung price niya is 595 pesos for 3 grams of product. And for comparison, yung fluff mat nila contains 3.5 grams of product. Medyo pricey talaga siya for that amount of product for this kind of complexion stick. But if you wanna check it out, go try it out. Now for my final thoughts. First, I wanna address the breakage issue kasi merong ibang mga Skin So Good sticks na napuputol agad upon opening. And kahit bago ko palang nabuksan, putol na agad. And I think that's just something that they have to improve, na creamy pa rin yung complexion stick, yet sturdy. Ang mahal eh, 595, tapos mapuputo lang. Medyo sayang siya, diba, kapag ganun. For the application process ng Skin So Good, okay naman siya sa akin because it's more of like skin mapping talaga rather than layering. So actually, mas maganda yung skin mapping dahil mas makokontrol mo yung amount of product that you'll be putting on your face. Actually, mas less yung product na malalagay mo on your face. By having less products on your face, therefore less creasing. They didn't outright say kung ano yung coverage level ng Skin So Good complexion sticks. Obviously, it's not sheer, but you can sheer it down. It's most likely medium to semi-full yung coverage level ng Skin So Good. And it was really able to cover up naman my acne marks, my sunspots, the veiny areas of my skin. For the performance, since I was able to wear this product for a couple of days na and was able to test it in real life, I can say na maganda naman yung wear niya on the face. By wearable, I mean na it's not the kind of foundation na gusto ko siyang tanggalin. Kasi meron talagang ibang foundations na ekis talaga. Hindi ko talaga siya gagamitin for a night out. To those who want to purchase the Skin So Good complexion products, I recommend that you get at least 2, max 3 shades. After the Skin So Good review, I have another complexion collection na i-review para sa inyo. And that is yung Issy na bagong release. So, if gusto nyo malaman kung ano yung thoughts ko and kung ano yung performance niya on my face, then make sure to hit that subscribe button down below, turn on that bell button so that you are notified kapag na-upload ko na yung Issy review ko. So, if you like this video, guys, then please do give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Let me know in the comment section below what you guys think of the Skin So Good complexion sticks ng Sunnies face. Comment down below kung ano yung rating nyo sa Skin So Good from 1 to 5. 1 being the lowest score and 5 being the highest. I want to know in the comment section below. Just remember, no hate, just love.